Now we're going to show you how to change or how to install the dryer and the washer if you want to stack them up like the way you see right now. So in order to do that, you're going to need this kit. You will see they come with 4 of these, but usually you're going to use only 2. They come with the screws. I'm going to show you the screws in the back. So that way you will have to install this type of bracket that you see. You have to remove the 2 screws that come with it, put it here. You will see that they will match up here. And once you have done that, that's it. The same thing in the other side. And on the side you have to put this plastic, otherwise it will scratch the washer. So that will be easy, just push them in and that's it. And after that you have to put the cable here. Make sure it follows the same pattern with the colors, so red with red, white with white, black with black, and that's it. So and the green one goes here. So this is how you're going to install this. This is the model I'm using in the dryer. If you have any question, leave it in the comment in the section below. Also, you have to add the clamps here, and here you're going to need another hose, and that's it if you want to use the steaming option. That's it.